Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iriel, and if you're new here, welcome to the Babe Society. If you're a returning babe, welcome back. I'm bringing y'all this glitter, cut, crease, and liner. I tried something new today, y'all, which I was scared that it wasn't gonna come out right, but the makeup came out beautifully. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video and keep on watching.
You know, say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, they try to destroy me. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with me face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, girl, ride with me. I know, only what I thought.
All white, right? Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love, cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt. I don't care, I cuss a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a...
Alright babes, this is the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I'm gonna give you guys like just a little close up. Yes, we did this. I'm loving this Papa Blue glitter. But thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for making it this far into the video. If you stayed, make sure you guys engage with me. Drop me a comment. Tell me what you liked about this makeup. Tell me any makeup questions that you might have. Follow me on social media. I am on TikTok at _Iriel. Sorry, I'm on TikTok at Iriel, and then I'm on Instagram at _Iriel. So make sure you guys follow me, engage me, like my pictures, like my posts, like my shorts, my reels, like everything, share everything, because that helps me and that makes me continue to be consistent with bringing you guys content. So I love you guys so much. Oops. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.